Hello students, today we are going to discuss our new chapter, that is Human Development, chapter number 4 from the book, that is Human Geography or the Fundamentals of Human Geography. Already we have read a chapter, that is chapter number 3 from the book India, People and Economy, that is also the Human Development, but this is another chapter of the Human Development which we are going to do from the second book, that is the Fundamentals of the Human Geography. And our today's topic is, that is the growth and development. The words growth and development, it's not new to you. You all heard about the growth and development, and always we are using these terms in our words. When we are telling something, we are using something developing or the country developing or the growth occurred in a country. Sometimes it can be happen we are using both the term as a same way only, like both the term for us. Sometimes we are thinking that both the terms having the same meaning, but actually that is not true. Growth and development both are very much interrelated topic and they are very much similar to each other, but growth and development refer to the change over a period of time. How? Let's see. The difference is between the growth and the development is, suppose growth is qualitative, that means growth is quantitative, that means you can measure it. Either it will be positive or it will be negative. It means that the change may be showing an increase or the change may be showing a decrease. Suppose a population of a country, the growth is going on in the population of a country, but we have read that growth can be positive and growth can be negative. That means the population of a country can be increased also, that we will say a positive growth. A population of a country can be decreased also, that we will say it is a negative growth. So simple meaning, growth is a quantitative measure where its value is neutral. Growth could be positive, it can show a improvement or increasing feature, it can show a decreasing features also. Now development is a qualitative change. Always the value is positive. Development, you can't measure it is by the number. Development is the change in the quality of a product. Always the value of the development will be positive. That means a particular country is developed, that means always the growth for that particular country is positive. That means it is having some good thing. It means that development cannot take place unless there is an addition to the existing condition. That means development means it is a positive factor. That means always development will not take place if the addition to the factors will be there. That means that development occurs when positive growth take place. That means growth, we said it is a two type, positive and negative. That means development will be occur when only the positive growth take place. But a thing is there, positive growth does not always lead to development. Why I am telling positive growth does not always lead to development? Because suppose in a country or in a city the population grows from 1 lakh to 2 lakh. So we will say it is 1 lakh to 2 lakh. That means it is a quantitative. That means the number is increasing. So we are saying it is a growth. Obviously it is a positive growth. The city has grown, we will say. But however, you will find or you will see now the housing facilities, the basic services or the different characteristics, road condition, pollution level, all has totally destroyed. Or we can see that in this cases, these facilities are not like growing, these facilities are decreasing. Suppose in Siliguri nowadays we have seen the population has increased, so obviously it is a positive growth of Siliguri. But you think about the housing facility, but you think about the road condition, the jams, the pollution, so this all showing the decrease rate or deterioration. That means with the positive growth, now development is not there, because this is not a symbol of the development. So then this growth has been accompanied by the development. So this growth has not been accompanied by the development only. Now another thing is there, can you think about some more like examples between the growth and development? For many decades, we are seeing that the country's level of the development measured by only economic development or the economic growth. We are saying that country having huge amount of the GDP or the country having huge amount of the economic growth, that means the country is a developed one. But that is not true actually. We have seen that maybe the country is rich in terms of their money, or maybe the country economically the country is very rich, but in terms of their different sectors, like last day when I was discussing the human development, that time also I said in different sectors like the quality of the life, the educational sector or the health sector, it is not developing. So it means that growth and development is a different thing. Growth is only a quantitative thing and development is a qualitative thing. Maybe the city or the country, maybe quantitatively in terms of their money, they are increasing their money, but they are not developing in their health sector, or they are not developing in their educational sector. So according to this growth and development only, the new topic has arrived, that is the human development. We will discuss about the human development on our next class. Now let's see, what only one important question is here: what is the difference between the growth and development? Simple. Growth is a qualitative and its value is neutral. Development is a qualitative change which always value positive. This means development cannot be take place unless there is a increase or addition to the existing condition. Growth can be positive, growth can be negative also. Development will be a positive factor. With this too, you can add an example also. Suppose a country where the population is increasing or decreasing, that is a growth of the population of a country. But obviously in that country, if the level of their different kind of the services, amenities is increasing, quality is improving, then obviously it will be called as a development. Maybe health sector is going better and better, so this is called development. But if the condition of the health sector is becoming poor and poorer, so that is obviously not a symbol of the development. So development is always related with the positive growth only. For today, this much only. Thank you so much.